So Peter brings clarity in his report to a very elusive topic: how to lock in a video carousel in Google search engine results so that it can deliver you viewers, credible citations, and also traffic to your target entities. Locking in a video carousel spot, let alone all three spots, is like owning three hotels on your properties on the Monopoly board. It's that powerful, as it occupies prime real estate up top on the Google results page. Plus, Peter shows you how to do it both manually and through automation, so you have a choice which technique you want to use to accomplish your results. Lastly, he shares this client outreach angle that's brilliant and deceptively simple, allowing you to close easily, and his techniques will help you over-deliver to give you credibility and lock in the sale. Now, for Pete's sake, grab the report yesterday, devour it, and take action. But for my sake, look elsewhere. There's nothing to buy here.